Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential update for Instagram users on PC: how to allow message requests from your followers. This feature is crucial for staying connected and ensuring you don't miss out on important messages. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, simply enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Click on it to reveal additional options. Next, select Settings from the menu that appears. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, navigate to the Message and Story Replies section. This is where you can customize how you interact with messages and stories on Instagram. Now let's focus on enabling message requests. Click on Message Controls to access the specific settings for your messages. Under the section labeled Your Followers on Instagram, you will find the option for message requests. Here, you can choose to allow message requests from your followers. Simply select this option to enable it. By doing so, you'll start receiving notifications whenever someone sends you a message request, even if they aren't on your friends list. This feature allows for seamless communication and helps you connect with new people more easily. Once you've made these changes, you're all set. You can now enjoy uninterrupted conversations without missing any important messages that come your way. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Instagram and other social media platforms. Happy messaging!